Hello, boss. I'm Davis. The one behind me is our newly Waterjet carving machine. So it has a 5-axis water jet cutting function and can cut 90 and 45 degrees cutting.
There is also a very big highlight
That we are equipped with a high-speed carving head. So it has the function of water jet cutting. It also has carving, a process of washing the sink, and a function, and has very powerful. In addition, it can also achieve the overall rise of the entire table. So as you can see, our machine, the overall of our machine tool is very rigid. In addition, its biggest highlight is adopt a high-speed rotating structure. The speed of a machine tool's movement is very fast, as you can see. So let's enter the formal part. Let's take a look. He is now carving a horse figure. Let's see the actual carving effect in a moment. Just now, we have made a stone slab for a drain, and let's take a look. We have finished this slate. Let's take a look at the actual effect. Okay, be careful. You can see it. The whole sink, high here, low here. We made a slope. Here is a gradient effect. So it has it plays a role in guiding water to flow downwards and flow to the basin mouth. Then this sink with a drain is ready, is done. As you can see just now, after he installed the carving knife just now, he can wash this sink in the middle. In addition, let me show you a highlight. You can see that the structure of this guide rail adopts an oil immersed type of guide rail, so its slider will be very durable. In addition, the weight of the whole machine is fun. The weight of the machine is very heavy. It's heavy duty, high-speed water carving composite machine. Okay, here's the video for this issue. So interested friends are welcome to contact me. I'm Davis, and I'm waiting for you in Foshan, Guangdong, China. See, all right, thank you.